Well, here we are, day 2 of Hot Rod Power Tour 2025. We're on our way to Joliet, Illinois, and I'm in the Power Tour line. We're currently heading out of Brownsburg, and got a really cool 72 CUDA and like burnt orange ahead of me, which is pretty nice. Gas stops are always fun here on Hot Rod Power Tour. Every gas station's a car show. I stopped here at the marathon in Kentland, Indiana for a very specific reason. The very first Power Tour I led my group on, the Power Tour took that road through Kentland, and here we are like 15 years later, and passing it now north-south instead of east-west, so nice little, come around. But yeah, going good so far. Right there's the Gemini Giant here in Wilmington, Illinois. Got people out here watching us drive through. And unfortunately, it's completely bumper to bumper, I think, all the way into the venue. I'm actually surprised there's not a backup for the Gemini Giant. But we'll see how this goes. Well, after many backups, finally pulling up into Joliet Route 66 Raceway. Now I just got to get to my spot up front and start taking pictures and video. Making my way up front, and this place is packed. I mean, we've never been here before, but this is quite the turnout. And there's a lot of old cars. We were talking earlier, and it looks like it's like 70% old cars, 30% new, which is really nice. Okay, made it into the venue, got parked. Gonna go walk into the vendor area, get my stuff stamped, and I'm gonna walk around and start doing videos. But it's long. It is going to be a long walk today. And it's a little bit warmer than it was yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. But, so that's what my car looks like when it's, oh, it's not, it's a different one. My friend Rob, who got a little off the route, he got here before I did. But it's good to see him. I'll see him here in a little bit, but it's going to be a fun walk around. This is a nice walking into the gold area. Dodge Demon 340. Just a clear filter or cleaner or something. Let's see here. On that with 4-speed. Ooh, 4-speed means you put a pistol grip in it. Because anybody's never had the pistol grip. This are also nice rally wheels on it. Root beer brown, I think. I don't know who these guys are, but there's a whole bunch of people around them. I think they were on YouTube or something. They also they know Finnegan. I'm not sure. Wow, the Midway is popping. It is really rocking and rolling. I'm up here on stage with the Mr. Jeff Fist, and that's the line for just stamping your card. But beautiful day here in Joliet at Route 66 Raceway. You see some really cool stuff here. I'm walking, trying to find something, and look at that Ventura. A Mustang 2, Dodge truck from like the 90s, early 90s, 80s, a Mini, and a Travelette. This is just one row in this entire place. Quite incredible. Unfortunately, I didn't think ahead, and I walked all the way to the very end of the show, and of course I have to walk all the way back because my car is all the way at the front. Wonderful. But it's fun to watch all the cars leave. There's my friend from yesterday. Good to see you, man. I'll see you tomorrow. You guys be safe. This is the car that my friend Morgan wants to buy. She's big into these lead sleds right now. Ooh, Dodge truck. That's cool. That thing is pretty sick. That's definitely something you don't see every day. That's cool. So I've been talking so long, the place is just about emptied out. The show technically ends at 5 o'clock, but I still gotta get over the Challenger. It's over there, and then drive 20 minutes to my hotel. Meet up some friends for dinner. Almost the last two people here leaving the gold area at the show because there ain't nobody here except me. Time to go to the hotel. Of course, going to my hotel, I find an old Wabash caboose. That's really nicely done, all freshly painted and on display here in Manhattan, Illinois. So I'm finishing up day 2 here on Hot Rod Power Tour, and it's a beautiful sunset. And of course, my friend's texting me. But look at that. How much better can that be? I mean, I'm also surrounded by a lot of cool cars, but beautiful night here. Absolutely beautiful.